Good morning. Today on Customer States what? Customer States, I hear a grinding in the rear. And while you're there, perform multi-point inspection. Say no more. So we're looking around the vehicle, and I could tell you, I did not know a Prius can go off-roading, guys. This thing is all caked in mud from the front to the back, giggity. Brake fluid. It's low, but we're performing a brake fluid exchange, so oof. Well, guys, let's take it up top and see how bad it really is. So now that we took it up top, and oh my god, look at this. I did not know that you could take a Prius off-roading. Everything is coated in mud or leaves or debris. Even the engine. Even the engine got a coating. Let's go a little further back. Yeah. Look at all this. Yeah. Oh man, that's the protectant right there. Oh, look at this back here. Beautiful. Looks like they're driving forward and backward with all this crap that's caked on. Oh, the metal-to-metal brakes. You gotta love it. These tires, oh, they're just about spent. Yeah, they're just about spent. Oh, man. Well, it can't rust if it's coated. Oh my god, yeah. They're not complaining of this rattle, I bet. Oh my god, this is hilarious. Well, here's the driver's side, all full of crap. And here's the driver's rear. Look at all this. Look at all this. You believe this? So guys, I don't know what I did to deserve this, but every job that I inherit, something goes wrong. So this left front caliper right here is Gugat's. It's freaking seized. That's not the only thing that I have found. Got the rear rotor off. Look at this paper freaking thin shoe right here. Look at that. That's disgusting. Like, come on, man. If I'm gonna inherit work, I'm gonna have to re-diagnose everything just to CYA. You know, cover my AAA. Alright, well, we got 2 front calipers on the way, because whenever you do front calipers, you don't replace just one. You replace both, because if you just replace one, this side will be 100% and the other side might be 90%, and you may experience a pull. So that's one of the main reasons why we recommend to replace the front calipers in pairs. The rears you could do single. But you know what? I gotta wait for parts, so I think it's lunchtime. Brand new front calipers, pads, and rotors. Brand new rear brakes, pads, and rotors. With some weight reduction. Just remove that there, remove that there. Now we just gotta do the brake fluid exchange, put the tires back on, and burn these brakes in. So guys, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content.